What's up guys, it's Clutter from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to turn this image into that video, all using Canva for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, let's get things start to work, okay? Let's make things start to work. First, you're gonna need an image. You can't use an image from Canva library. You need to download an image on the internet. I recommend you go to Google, type Pixabay, and right here we're gonna search for the image you need. For example, duck. Now let's choose some nice image. I think this one is fancy. Let's download. I think this version is okay. File downloaded. Now I'm gonna move to Canva. Go to the left sidebar of menus after choosing the design size that I need. Okay. Review the left sidebar of menus. Click on upload. Click on upload file. Select the picture that you just have downloaded and place on your design, just like this. Align it in the case that I want. Now you must click on the picture, okay? Click on edit. Review the Magic Studio option. There is a little arrow moving to the right side. Click on it. Click into this butterfly icon, the image to video. Select the picture. You can use a prompt in the case that you want, or you can just do the automatic method. It's up to you. I use the automatic. Click on generate. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes, and of course errors may happen, so all we have to do is hit try, okay? According to the how much Canva servers are used, it may take a while. Now, if you like, click on add to the design. If you don't like, click on generate again. Looks fancy for me, but of course you can create a new one. But that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!